This is our basement. Like, it really messed up our walls. The kicker. All the glass. Broke. Let me see. We got a leak in the wall. Pictures broken down. This is the kitchen area, but you can see the wines and everything knocked down. Just our game closet just completely destroyed. Thank God that stayed up.
This bathroom stays good.
The bathroom. That's messed up. That's on the wall.
Hold on, babe.
Just.
Hold on, babe.
Freaking
How far
glass.
the oven came.
I see. We had to make sure the gas thing is not off, you know. Just that the tree's still up. This is one of the kids' rooms. There are pictures and things just broke. The garage isn't working. We had an earthquake, sis. One of the dressers, the water pipes, we got them shut off. Freaking dresser or our closet stuff just broke. The toilet, bathroom broke. Just came off. Like, shit is, yeah. Let's see. I don't think anything, well, just not too much of a damage in here, except for the washroom. Stuff came, the kids' room, Giovanni's room. Pictures off the wall. Just his TV stayed up.
Mama,
This is one of the kids' room. Just drawers everywhere. Just, man, this shit's heartbreaking. But I'm thankful that no one got hurt or injured. Yeah. Some more pictures that were broke in another room, but thankful the kids, they were just on their way to school, but they're not. They didn't go to school. They were just about to, but they're here. They're kind of taking it easy. So yeah, we'll get through this, but it's just sad that this happened. So, yep. Signing off, y'all. We got a long. Dang. You have a bucket for that? Oh, good. Not the leak.